Hello and welcome to another update video about SEI. On the SEI chart, we are dealing still with the same scenario. I mentioned to you, I think only yesterday, that we could really be in an accelerated bullish wave count here to the upside in this very accelerated yellow scenario in which we have a combined 1-2 setup down there, basically a 1-2, 1-2 setup and maybe another 1-2. But I said to you, I don't believe that. It's just what I've sketched out here. Please be aware that the micro counts are often very, very fragile. What is much more important than the micro count is, so basically this roadmap is still subject to change. I mean, I can basically guarantee that this wave count will change. However, the wave counts tell us some support levels and invalidation points that we can talk about. Also, the price broke above initial resistance. So it's basically following our roadmap, okay? But I highlighted to you it's an ascending wedge, so it could easily break down. And then I added as well to say that in a bullish market, they tend to break to the upside in crypto, which is then very bullish, okay? So we want to take a look at that. But the main aspect and the main, well, let's say the main level here is the 44.2 cent level down there. I highlighted to you, as long as the price is above that level, I do not see this scenario, let's say, at risk. The idea is that this here is a wave 4. It's one of the better setups, to be honest, because this price action seems impulsive, in contrast to many other coins which are moving only in diagonal patterns at the moment. Hey, it's great to see an impulse somewhere, okay? Even if it's only the C wave here, or maybe it is the third wave. We'll see, but it is impulsive, so it is, despite the short chart history, it is still one of the better charts and one of the better setups. Just the micro count there is a little unclear, but you know, that's just normal in crypto, so it's nothing special. The target area here was very well defined. It was between 58 cents and 52.8. The support did hold, and then we see this turnaround currently, yeah. But as you can see in the micro perspective here, there is just too much of a mess going on here. Totally unclear what this exactly is. It could be, it's not unclear. I mean, I can give you a count. It just doesn't help because it could be something else, you know. Overlapping price action always leaves the door open for a lot of different scenarios. And yeah, basically wave counts if you have overlapping price action. But therefore, you know, we see this small wave too. And the first micro support basically here is at 63.3 cents. I highlighted that in the last video already. As long as we're holding 63.3 cents, the focus could be on higher. Okay, below that level, not a major problem, would just be a reset of wave 2 probably. So that's not a problem. Okay, what happens then if we break below the previous low, which is at 59.2 cents? Okay, in this scenario, it could still be that this wave 2 is resetting and all of this was just a high B wave due to the overlapping price action. But then what happens if we break below the 56.2 cent level, this swing low from the 23rd? Well, also not a problem because we would simply just fall back into the wave 4 and would assume that, okay, it's probably just doing another low. So there are plenty of support levels, and let's say in this scenario, we could simply fall back into the wave 4 support. Not a problem. There is still plenty of space in this support area. Have to say, though, that with a break below the 52 cent level, which is the 38.2 retracement of the overall third wave, that would already shift probabilities maybe towards something a little bit more bearish. Ideally, we're holding that level. But at the moment, we're not even close to that level. Instead, it's pushing higher. And it's broken, and that's quite important, it's broken above the initial resistance at 67 cents. So that's good because that kind of confirms the bullish scenario. I just cannot give you a very, very clear micro count there. It might also be that it's forming some kind of a weird diagonal pattern just here in the fifth wave, yeah. But as I said, I gave you some levels, and the nearest support, yeah, is here at 63.2 cents. That's a clear stop loss level. If you're trading the very, very short term against that level, you could say I'm focusing on higher, but you've got here the ascending trend line. So there's a breakout needed above the trend line as well as this previous high. It's basically now at a breakout point. It seems like price action is coiling up, just needs a little bit of a move up, and then we are probably on the move towards 90 cents plus. That's my update about SEI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.